don't know why.
If you answered the question and you wanted to check it, send it to his email. The link will be down below, and he'll check it and he'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Okay, please prepare or open the accounts for the following transactions. The firm paid wages of $70 cash. Open the two accounts for that transaction. Then the firm purchased goods of $900 from TT Enterprise on credit. Please pause and attempt these two transactions. Now, having attempted these two questions, we have a summary of this topic. Number one of it is that all transactions have two entries to make, or each transaction made by a business is to have two accounts or two parties that will be affected. That's why we call it double entry. Number two, if you look at this work, double entry is just like a relay that the person giving out the betting changes it with right hand, and the receiver of the betting receives with left hand. The same applies in accounting, double entry. The part that is given is credited, which is the right hand side, and the part that is receiving is debited, which is the left hand side. That is the principle of double entry. Number three is that all transactions can be on credit basis or cash basis. Credit basis means the cash was not involved immediately in that transaction. For instance, when a business purchases goods and did not pay immediately, that is credit transaction. When business purchases goods or other items and pays immediately, that is cash transactions. Whether it is cash transaction or credit transaction, every transaction will have two entries to be made. Thank you. So the solution to the questions or transactions given to us is given to us here. The firm paid wages of $70 cash. That means cash account is affected. Wages account is also affected. Cash and wages. That means the two accounts I will open for the first transaction there is wages account and cash account. If you look at it, when the firm pays cash, cash goes out of the firm. So cash is recorded in the right hand side, the credit side, $70. Wages, the employees or the workers that took the wages received the cash, took the money, took the wages. So that means their side will be the debit side, the left hand side, 70. And as was said earlier, the detail for this account will be the second account. So that means detail here will be the cash account. Then the detail for cash account will be the wages account. Is that okay? The firm purchases goods or purchased goods of $900 from TT Enterprise on credit. Purchases account is affected. Then TT Enterprise is also affected. Purchases account, then TT. How? TT is giving out goods. The business purchased them. So purchases account is receiving goods. Purchases account Then TT Enterprise. TT Enterprise account. Since purchases is receiving in this transaction, we record the amount in the left hand side, the debit side. Then TT Enterprise is given in this transaction, so we record the account, the transaction, the amount in the credit side, the right hand side. Then the detail for purchase account will be TT Enterprise. TT Enterprise. Then the detail for in TT Enterprise account will be purchases account. That is the correction to the two questions given earlier. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share with friends and your accomplices. Thank you very much.
Please tell us what you want us to do better, or what you like, so we know what to keep on doing.
Okay, you can also tell us what you want us to include here, what you like, what you...
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Of you.
Thank you for watching my video.
Okay.
Please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends.
Okay.